Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Ramakant and you are watching Computer Technology channel. In this video, I will explain the Cisco Hierarchical design modules. So, without any future delay, let's get started. The Cisco Hierarchical design modules consist of three layers. First, the access layer, second is distribution layer, and third is core layers. First, let's start about the access layer. It is also known as the desktop layer and serves as the lowest layer in the hierarchical internetworking module. The access layer connects end users or devices such as printer, PC and wireless access point to the networks. It means the role is to ensure continuously network connectivity for these devices, regardless of their location. Additionally, the access layer must consider the connection to the upper layer and provide security as the first line of defense of the network. Access switches are the physical entity of the access layer. They connect both to the distribution layer switches and the end devices, ensure the delivery of packets to the intended destination. Access switches simplify network management, provide security services, and offer specific functions based on the different network environments. When choosing access layer switches for enterprises, there are several factors to consider. First, port density, port speed, security, scalability, and simplified developments and management. First of all, understand what is the port density. The switch should support a high port density since it's connected to a large number of end user devices. Determine the number of devices that need to be connected to the access layer to decide the required switch port numbers. Port switches. The port switches is a primary concourse of our end users. Most access switches come with 100 Mbps, 1000 Mbps and 10 Mbps ports. Choose between fast Ethernet, Gigabit fast Ethernet based on your network specification requirements. Security. As the network ends, the access layer plays as a critical role in the network security. Scalability. Consider the future number of users in the enterprises networks. The network design should meet the requirements for the next 3 to 5 years to ensure smooth network upgrades and simplified development and management. In highly density access network environments, it is important to simplify network deployment and management. Access switch should be easy to deploy and manage. Provide options like Power over Ethernet (PoE) for simplify developments of devices such as wireless point and security camera. Cost is another important factor to consider. Pricing usually depends on the number of ports. A general range of 20 ports without PoE support is 20,000 or 40,000 PoE modules cost more, but it can be beneficial if you plan to use the switch of internet telephony. Additionally, consider the cost of optional modules if you need fiber optical ports instead of RJ45 ports. In conclusion, when selecting access switches, providers simplifies simplicity, reliability and security. Access your business need and choose a product that best meet whose specification. In the next video, I will discuss distribution layer switches. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Jai Hind.